Question number 7 given. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. AB is diameter and given B is equal to 1, -4. A is taking x, y and B is equal to 1, 4. C, center point C. C is equal to 2, -3. So by midpoint formula, x plus 1/2 x1 plus x2/2 comma y plus 4/2 that is equal to center point 2, -3 and first point is equal to 2. So x plus 1/2 equal to 2 and second point y plus 4/2 is equal to -3. Second point that is equal to -3. Cross multiplying, x plus 1 is equal to 2, 2s are 4 and x is equal to shifting one right side -1 and x is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 is cross multiplying by -3. Y plus 4 is equal to 2, 3s are -6 and y is equal to -6 shifting 4 right side that is -4. So y is equal to -10. X is equal to +3 and y is equal to -10. So A is equal to 3, -10. Answer. We have given B that is 1, -4 and C is center point. C is here 2, -3 and A is x, y. We find the coordinate points of x and y. So by midpoint formula, x1 plus x2/2 y1 plus y2/2 is equal to, first point is 2 but x plus 1/2 is equal to 2 and second point is -3, so y plus 4/2 is equal to -3. We are comparing this and 2 multiplied by 2 that is 4, shifting one right side that is -1. So x is equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3 and y plus 4 equal to 3, 2s are -6 and shifting 4 right side that is -4. So y is equal to -10. Coordinate points of A that is x, y is equal to 3, -10. Answer. Question number 8. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 times of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. We have given AP is equal to 3/7 times of AB. A, B and point P. AP upon AB is equal to 3/7. AP divided by AB is equal to 3/7, but this implies AB upon AP is equal to 7/3. They are reciprocal. AP upon AB can be written in reciprocal AB upon AP, and 3/7 reciprocal of 3/7 is equal to 7/3. And subtracting left and right both sides -1, that is -1 -1. AB minus AP upon AP is equal to 7 minus 3/3. This implies AB minus AP, that is equal to PB, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So PB divided by AP is equal to 4/3. But first we have AP and then PB. So reciprocal of AP upon PB is equal to 3/4, and AP ratio PB is equal to 3/4. We find the ratio of AB, that is 3/4, and given A is equal to A is -2 and B point is equal to 2 - 4. So A is -2, -2, and B point is equal to 2 - 4. And ratio, we find the ratio AP upon PB is equal to 3/4. So by section formula, we find the coordinates points of P, X, Y. Coordinates of P is equal to M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2. That is 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by -2 divided by 3 plus 4. And similarly 3 multiplied by -4 plus 4 multiplied by -2 divided by 3 plus 4. So coordinate points of P is equal to 3 2s are 6, -4 2s are 8, divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. But 3 4s are -12, 4 2s are -8, divided by 7. So coordinate points of P is equal to, that is minus 2 upon 7, and here minus 20 upon 7. It's a coordinate points of P. Given, we have given AP is equal to 3 upon 7 times of AB. So AP upon AB is equal to 3 upon 7, and their reciprocal can be write it as AB upon AP is equal to 7 upon 3. We get AB minus AB upon AP minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 minus 1. So AB minus AP, AB minus AP, that is equal to PB divided by AP is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4 upon 3. AP ratio PB is equal to 3 ratio 4, and we want to find the coordinate points of P. Section formula M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2, that is 6 minus 8 upon 7 and minus 12 minus 8 upon 7. 8 minus 6, that is 2, but minus 8 is negative, so minus 2 upon 7. First point is minus 2 upon 7, and both points are negative, so 12 and 8. 12 plus 8 is 20, but points is minus 20 upon 7. Answer. Question number 9 given. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Given A is equal to minus 2, 2 and B is equal to 2, 8. 4 equal parts. A, B. A is minus 2, 2 and B is 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. That is P, Q and R. 4 equal parts means ratio of P is 1:3. 1 part left side, 1, 2, 3 part right side. So ratio is 1:3, and 2:2. That is left side 2. Left side is 2, right side is 2 parts. So 2:2, and 2:2 means 1:1. So ratio of R is equal to 3:1. Right side 1 part, left side 1, 2, 3 parts. So ratio equal to 3:1. Coordinates of P is equal to, by section formula, one multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3, 1 multiply by second point is 8 plus 3 multiply by 2 divided by 1 plus 3. So coordinate points of P is equal to 2 1 are 2 minus 3 2 are 6 divided by 4, 8 1 are 8 plus 3 2 are 6 divided by 4. This implies 6 minus 4, that 6 minus 2, that is minus 4, minus 4 upon 4, and 14 upon 4. This is cancel, minus 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So coordinate points of P is equal to minus 1, 7 divided by 2. Coordinates of Q is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1, and 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, minus 2 upon 2, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 upon 2. This implies coordinate points of Q is equal to, first point is 0, 0 divided by 2, that is also 0, and 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. So coordinate points of Q is equal to 0, 5. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. Coordinates of R is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1, first point, and 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 plus 1. This implies 3 2s are 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 upon 4, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 upon 4. So coordinate points of R is equal to 4 upon 4, 26 upon 4. This is cancelled by 1, 2 2s are 4, and 13 2s are 26. This implies coordinate points of R is equal to 1, 13 upon 2. Answer. We have given A is equal to minus 2, 2, B is equal to 2, 8, and we draw a line AB with equal 4 parts, P, Q, R. AP, PQ, QR, RB, 4 equal parts, but ratio of P is equal to 1:3, and ratio of Q is 2:2, that is 1:1, and ratio of R is 3 part left side, 1 part right side, that is 3:1. So coordinate points of P is equal to, by section formula, m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, and m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. We get the coordinate points of P is equal to 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 upon 4, and 8 plus 6, that is 14 upon 4, 7 2s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. Coordinate points of P is equal to 1 minus 1, 7 upon 2, and coordinate points of Q is equal to, same process by using the section formula, m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. 2 minus 2, that is 0, divided by 2, that will be 0. So 8 1s are 8 plus 2 1s are 2. 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the coordinate points of Q is equal to 0, 5 answer, and coordinate points of R equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Same process, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. 3 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 divides 4, that is equal to 1. And 3 multiply by 8 plus 1 multiply by 2 divided by 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 8 3s are 24 plus 2, that is 26, and 26 divided by 4, 2. 13 2s are 26 and 2 2s are 4. We get 1 comma minus 13 upon 2 answer. Question 10 given. Question number 10. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4, and minus 2, minus 1, taken in order. Given A is equal to 3, 0, B is equal to 4, 5, C is equal to minus 1, 4 is equal to minus 2, minus 1. A, B, C, D. A point is 3, 0, B point is 4, 5, C point is minus 1, 4, and D point is minus 2, minus 1. Join BD and AC. Diagonal. So area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Diagonal of AC is equal to, using by distance formula, we get the value of AC by distance formula, that is x2 minus AC, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. X1 is here minus 1 minus 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 minus 0 raised to power 2. That is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2 is equal to 16 plus 16, and 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. And the prime factorization of 32 can be write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Prime factorization of 32 is 2 multiply by 2 5 times of 2, but pair of 2 in bracket, that is 2 into 2, 2 times 2 into 2, taking common 2 pair into, and in bracket only 1 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4 root 2. So it's by distance formula, AC is equal to 4 root 2, and diagonal of BD by distance formula, we get BD. x2 minus x1 square means minus 2 minus 4 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 square means minus 1 minus 5 raised to power 2. That is also equal to 4 2 minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6 raised to power 2 and plus minus 6 raised to power 2. Value of BD is equal to 6 6 are 36 plus 36. This implies 36 plus 36 equal to 72, and the prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 36 and 2 18 2 9 3 3 3 are 9 3 1. So pair of 2 3 and 2 is taking common. We get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. One pair of 3 and one pair of 2 is common. So value of BD is equal to 2 into 3 under root 2. This implies BD is equal to 6 root 2. But area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into AC into BD. This implies half of AC is 4 root 2 multiply by BD is 6 root 2. This implies 1 upon 2 root 2 multiply by root 2, that is root 2 square, and root is cancelled. So 4 into 6 into 2, 2 is cancelled, root 2 square root cancel, but we get 6 4s are 24 square unit. Answer. Given A is equal to 3 0, B is 4 5, C is minus 1 4 and D is minus 2 minus 1. ABCD is rhombus. AB, BC, CD, AD, 4 sides are equal, but A coordinates of A is 3 0, B is 4 5, C is minus 1 4 and D is minus 2 minus 1. So diagonal of AC by distance formula we get x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is 4 square plus 4 square. 4 4s are 16 plus 16, that is 32, and the prime factorization of 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times of 2, and one pair of 2 and another pair of 2 is taking common. 2 2s are 4 is taking common, and root in rect and root 2 in rect. So AC is equal to 4 root 2 and BD is equal to same process, y2 minus x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. 6 square is 36 plus 6 square is 36. 36 plus 36 equal to 72, and the prime factorization of 72 is here, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and one pair of 3 and one pair of 2 is taking common. We get the value of BD is equal to 3 2s are 6 root 2. So the area of rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals, that is AC into BD. AC, we get the value of AC is 4 root 2 put in here, and value of BD is 6 root 2. Root 2 multiplying root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 square root is cancelled, that is only 2 is cancelled, but 6 4s are 24 square units. Answer. Thank you so much.